Michael Saylor says they will hold Bitcoin forever. They will never sell their Bitcoin.
A lot of people don't really think. They're like, oh my God, MicroStrategy is going to get liquidated at Bitcoin. It's like, well, dude, no, Bitcoin could go to $1 a Bitcoin. We're not getting liquidated. We're just going to buy all the Bitcoin if it goes to $1 a Bitcoin.
But there is terrifying financial theory going around, a hidden danger that could force Michael Saylor to sell their billions of dollars of Bitcoin. And what I am about to tell you about this debt spiral is going to completely shock you. So before completely diving into Michael Saylor company MicroStrategy, let me tell you why this matter right now to you, because MSTR hold means MicroStrategy hold more Bitcoin than any other public traded company on earth, and if they are forced to sell, it could trigger the biggest crash in the crypto history and it will start the full blown bear market. So watch this video till the end, because the things happening in a MicroStrategy right now might completely change your point of view on whether your portfolio is safe or not. But before disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this video is not a financial advice, and things which I am sharing in this video is completely based on my opinion. So please do your own research before making any kind of financial decision. So let's start video with the executive chairman Michael Saylor. He famously says MicroStrategy will never sell Bitcoin. Even when the Bitcoin will crash, they will just buy more dip. But critics and huge financial analysts from banks like JPMorgan are screaming of debt spiral. They says MicroStrategy might be forced to sell. Even Michael Saylor doesn't want to sell. And analysts predicting these things based on two concepts, mNAV and fresh capital. And you must understand these two concepts if you are holding any crypto. And if someone doesn't know what these terms really mean, let me tell you first. mNAV, market net assessed value. Imagine just like a MicroStrategy is a steel vault, means big locker, and inside that vault they hold all their Bitcoin, and the current price tag of all the Bitcoin inside that vault together is mNAV. And on the basis of that vault, MicroStrategy issues shares named MSTR. Now you understood what is mNAV and how they issue MSTR shares. But here is the crazy part. Usually the price of the share is higher than the value of the Bitcoin inside that vault, and this is called premium. It's look like the vault has exactly $100 of Bitcoin, but people are willing to pay $150 for those shares. But the question is, why would anybody overpay for that $100 Bitcoin and they are paying $150? They overpay because they believe in Michael Saylor company MicroStrategy. They are paying extra for the hype and trust in Michael Saylor, and due to this the premium is trading very smoothly. It is a secret engine that keep MSTR running, but the company constantly need new money to pay their bills, pay the old loans, and buy more Bitcoin from the real market. And this new money is called fresh capital, which is used to buy more Bitcoin and pay their loans back. And when the premium is high, MicroStrategy basically has money printing machine means they can print any amount of fresh capital they needed. The reason is quite simple. They just create new share out of a thin air and sell to the public at a high price of $150, and they take that fresh capital immediately, buy more Bitcoin and put that in immediately in a vault. Therefore the machine works perfectly and the vault get bigger and bigger, and there is no problem in this whole process except one, which could be the debt spiral for the Bitcoin according to the analyst. And analyst asks one simple question: what will happen when premium will get disappear? What if a stock price fall below mNAV, means actual price of vault? This is called discount, means the vault hold $100 of Bitcoin, but the stock is only trading at $80, and this is where the debt spiral begin. Therefore this discount is very dangerous for the MicroStrategy, because if they are trading at discount, then the money printing machine will break. They cannot raise fresh capital. The reason is quite simple. Selling new stock at $80 when the Bitcoin inside the vault is worth $100 is just crazy. It's like selling $100 of bill for $80. It will destroy the company value. So according to analysts, in this case they might stop selling their stocks. So if they can't sell their stock, and if banks won't give them new loans because market are scared, then the fresh capital will not come in MicroStrategy. They might run out of the cash. So the question is, what will happen if the huge payments and loans are due to pay? If they have debt to pay and have no cash for these repayments, Analysts say they must open their vault and they will sell Bitcoin to avoid bankruptcy. This will force huge liquidation, the debt spiral in the market. But Michael Saylor says this is impossible. He claims MSTR cannot be broken. He says they are structured to survive even if Bitcoin drops up to 90%. The biggest loans are not due to pay for many years, giving them a time to survive in any bear market without selling a single Satoshi. And personally, I believe in Michael Saylor. So, what do you think? Is MSTR safe or is the debt spiral coming to crash Bitcoin? Please comment down below and please subscribe this channel for this type of content. See you tomorrow.